Allow me fix everything, and because there is always something to fix, let's try to fix this kettle. It's not working. What happens when you plug it in the power? Nothing, it's not taking any power. Actually check with the wattmeter, it's not lighting up, the button is not lighting up. Now we will need a multimeter to see where the fault is. I have a cheap multimeter that is beeping. Is it beeping? Yes, it is, yeah. So what we need now, put it onto the tip the water first, put the multimeter onto the two prongs, yeah, onto the neutral and face, okay, and turn it on. It should have any reading on the multimeter. No reading, so it could be a faulty cable, could be a contact issue here on the bottom. So now I will show you one leg onto the one side of the socket plug actually, and the other one we'll get into here to see if it beeps or not. Let me just put the, it doesn't matter which one goes where. Yeah, this one is into there. We know it's connected. The other one. We know between the socket, between the plug and the base, everything works fine. What we have now is the connection on the bottom. Middle pin is for the ground, so we're looking for a reading. Switch to ohms. This kettle got a power of 220 watts, I think, 2000 watts on 220 volts. Okay, so by this we know that we need at least 10 ohms of resistance, I think, something like that. I got the multimeter set to ohms up to 2000, so we should have a reading. Let's see, any reading? No, nothing, it's 1. Let's just check. I have the prong onto the kettle. It's not short circuit to the ground. Okay, we open it now. There is a screw here, and here on top. Let's try to remove it. Good. So the actual assembly can be the button, can be the heating element. That's the thermal part of the whole assembly. That's the heating element. Let's check. Moment of truth. This is burned. You can see nothing. Well, unfortunately, because I don't want to buy a new one. Then is it? I don't know. Is that the way it's supposed to be? Maybe. Well, if we had another element like this one, we could have saved it, but I really can't bother with looking for a new one of these. But this can be replaced. Nothing on here, unfortunately. Oh, that's it. This is faulty. It needs a new heating element. Troubleshooting is done. Goes to the bin. Bye bye. See you on the next one. Okay, managed to find a heating element for the price of €5. Around $6 delivered. So let's see if it does work. 200 ohms. You can see the thing right there. 26 ohms. Yeah. And let's just make sure that it's not shorting to the surface. Even through my fingers it's not. This is good. 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 You can see the old one. Okay. There is some paste here. Let's put it on here. Okay. Okay. I already did one unsuccessful attempt to get it right, to assemble it. So look now. We start with this one. The button goes in first. Yeah, button is in. And then this one aligns like this and you push it in here. Okay, like this. There is a seal on the inside. Seal should be good. You can see. And now we can test the button. Yeah. I'm holding. I got my one hand on the heater on the inside, that's why I can. Okay. And one more bolt. It's bolts, small little bolts. Okay, let's make it right now, so it does not leak. Good. Contacts look okay. Good. This one. I don't know. We'll just try to make it work. Can you see? Good? You like it, like it. No, 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 no. I checked in the cheapest kettle was like $7-8 delivered. Although I think the same one would cost like $10-15. I think it's not a bad deal for $5 for a heater. We saved the landfill. Good, let's give it a try. Okay, one of the most important tests I think is to be sure that it's not leaking here, and it's not, which is important. It's full of water. Give it a test now. It does light up blue. Good. I can hear it. Bubbles are going up. It does work. Do you want to see how much power it consumes? I'm very interested. Let's see now. 1,700. 1,725 watts. So it's not 2,000. I want to see it boiling. I'll give it a little bit of time. 1,800. Good. Let's see when it boils. We can see the steam starts to come up. Starts to sound as well. Okay, I can feel it. It will start to boil soon. I want to see if this switches off by itself. It starts to boil. Good. Fixed. See you on the next one. Bye bye.